One day, they're going to stop asking you to play. And you won't even notice when it happens. They don't need hours. They need moments where you're actually there. Your phone isn't necessarily the problem. It's what it replaces. When they see you sitting on your phone with downtime, they wonder why you're not with them. Which is most important to you? Rule number 1, define phone-free zones. No phones at the dinner table. No phones at bedtime. No phone for the first 30 minutes after work when you get home. Set the boundary. Rule number 2, delay the scroll. When you're feeling the urge, and we all do, wait 10 minutes. Most of the time, that desire and that moment passes. Rule number 3, replace, don't remove. Instead of the phone, take a walk. Instead of the phone, talk, engage. Sit with them. You don't remove distractions, you replace them. Rule 4, eyes up and aware. They reflect your every move. They want to be you. How do you want them to be? Teach them by keeping your eyes up and observing the world. Notice them with your eye contact. They need to know they are seen. See the small details and point them out. Technology has us distracted. Noticing the small things creates conversation and opportunities for moments. They won't remember what you were looking at. They'll remember that you weren't looking at them. Be where your feet are. Be present in the moment.